This is Taparia ratchet wrench. It is very good. Let us have a look. Taparia company made. You'll find one press button here. When you press it, it will a small portion which is coming out. I will show you what is the purpose of this. Okay. When you press it, it will come freely. See, I am not pressing it. I am inserting it directly. So it is bit difficult to insert. Why? Because this portion acts as a lock. See, when I press it, it is going down. When I release it, it is coming into the position. If you want to insert this socket, just press it and that's all. Now it is locked. When you pull it, hold it and pull it. This is 21 size. Suppose if you want to go for other size, just pick it up, press it and just release it. It is fit now. The advantages of this is, if you use the normal spanner, you have to change over sometime. Where the space is less, if you want to work fast within that provided space, so you can work fast. There must be access also for free movement of the handle. This is the old one which I have. Just for information I am showing. You will find such type of mechanism inside the ratchet wrench. This is the old one. It is not having any changeover pin, whereas the improvements made, so they provided this changeover pin. Old days you have to press and you have to fit. Again, suppose if you want to use it for another direction, remove it and press it to the other side and fit it. So this is the difference between the old one and the new one. I am having other piece also. It is also very good. It is also having one pin. See, when I press it, that small ball spring loaded is going down. When I release it, it is coming up. Now I pressed it. If you want to insert, it is also same. Just press it and leave it. Just it is locked. Advantage of ratchet is for fast removal of any nut. Whenever there is problem inside the mechanism, you can open and check actually what is happening. So you can rectify the ratchet also for the minor problems. The improvements made and found between the old one and to the next and to the latest. The old one is having no changeover switch. You have to manually change it over for clockwise and for anti-clockwise. That means opening and closing. Now when little bit advanced, they provided the small button and the changeover pin is normal. A hole is provided for better accommodation, so you can hang it somewhere properly. It may be any company, the purpose is same. Suppose if you want to open this nut, this is 24 size. Now insert it. Now see, it is very simple. If you keep this point viewing from this side, it is in clockwise direction. That means, see, it is when you view it from this side, it is moving clockwise. Okay, suppose you changed over it to anti-clockwise direction. Now it is moving in anti-clockwise direction. It is very simple. Now you want to unlock this, keep it in clockwise direction, viewing from this side. Okay, that's all. It is out. Very simple. Suppose if you want to tighten it, just change over this pin to the anti-clockwise direction. Just tighten it. That's all. Thanks for watching.